Hello my dear friends. From today I have started my data engineering lab with the Python coding. In this lab series, this is my lab 1, and in the coming forward the lab series I will cover the several use cases as much as I can cover the using the Python coding, the ETL pipelines, ELT pipelines, and maybe cover the Spark and several others. The Databricks series I will also cover. So in this lab 1, I just create a simple basic pipeline, ETL pipeline, by using Python in the using the environment of Visual Studio Code. Here I have created the folder structure. One is the my input folder, another is the output folder, and one is the Python file named pipeline underscore test. Here in the input folder I have one raw CSV file which data has some garbage values, and by writing the Python code pipeline I just read the raw data from that input folder, then removing the garbage values, cleaning the files, and then transform the data files, and it simply stored as an output CSV file in the output folder. So check my this lab 1 video.
Yes, this is our project structure where we practice our data engineering lab with the Python coding. This is my project structure. This is the data engineering lab folder. Under this data engineering lab folder, I have created lab 01, lab 02, and respectively we will create the several folders in next future days. Today we will focus on the lab 01 folder. In the lab 01 folder, I have created the one input folder, one is the output folder, and the pipeline Python files and readme.md and requirement.txt. Today we will not focus on the readme.md and requirement.txt. First of all, I am just this file I am deleting from the output file. This is our input file. Actually, we are doing the lab as we will create a simple ETL pipeline by using Python. ETL means extract, transform, and load. We will read data from the raw customer CSV file under the input folder. That data under this CSV file has some garbage value. We will remove those garbage values, and then we transform those data, clean data, and then we will store it as the final output into the output folder. So let's start. First of all, we will do in the pipeline dot underscore test dot python file. We will first of all, I am just going to the raw customer.csv to check what type of data has been exist here. You can see that here the customer ID, name, email, and age. These 4 attributes are present for this data. You can see here the alice@gmail.com, that email ID is in the capital letter, which is a garbage value. In the second row also, here the age is giving as -5, that is garbage. In the third row, the person name is missing, and also the email ID only Charlie@, that is also the garbage value. In the fourth row, the age is given as value 200, that is also garbage value. So we will just read the data from this raw customer.csv, clean those garbage values, transform it, and it will create a clean data output file, and then store that output into the output folder. Currently output folder is no file exists. So let's start. We will do into the pipeline underscore test.py file. We will starting by using import pandas as PD. Next we will do import OS. OS is required because we are dealing with the creating files, making directory. For that purpose OS is required. First of all, we will do step 1, which extract data from input CSV. Okay. We are taking input underscore path is equal to, within double quotation we are giving input, that is the folder name, then we giving the raw customer.csv file name. Yes. Next we are doing df, that is data frame object, pd dot read csv and input path. That is, read CSV will read the CSV file from the input path. Input path means this is, that is the raw customer CSV file from the input folder. Next we print \n step 1 raw data, print df. This is done. Just read purpose is completed. Next we are doing step 2, cleaning the data part. First of all, cleaning the data part, we will do remove rows where name or email is missing. Yes. How we can do that? df is equal to df dot drop in a subset name and email. Yes. This. Next we do convert the email from from uppercase to lowercase, uppercase to lowercase. We will do df email, df email dot str dot lower. It will be converted the uppercase letter of email into the lowercase. Next we will do remove invalid age value. How we can do that? df is equal to df here we giving df age greater than is equal to 0 and df age less than is equal to 100. Perfect. We are taking considering only those age group or age that is greater than is equal to 0 and less than is equal to 100. Next we print slash in step 2. This is the cleaned data. Is the clean data. Next to it, the data frame object print. Yes, till that our cleaning part is complete. Next we are doing step 3, transformation of data. In the transformation of data, we are creating def get underscore age underscore group, where we are doing age. Here we are doing if age less than 18, then it will be written as teen. Else if age less than 60, it will be treated as adult, else it will be written as senior. Next we will do df age group is equal to age and apply get age group to apply this age group feature. Next we are print step 3, we are transformed data. Next we are doing print df, print the data frame object. Till that our cleaning and transformation is complete. Next we will do the load the clean output file into the output folder. So step 4, load data in output folder. Output underscore path is equal to, this one is good, we can give the, okay, that is fine, the name also fine. Final underscore customer.csv. The name is too long, you can remove this. CSV. This is fine. Now we can also check if the output folder not exist, it will create the output folder. So this, how can I do that? That not exist. We can do that os dot make dirs this. This will create the directory name. Actually this is not I required. Actually that thing I not required. Actually Copilot is giving here. I am just want make directories in double quotation output the folder name comma exist okay true, only this portion I need. Yes, it will create the folder name output. If it is exist, it is okay. And output path I have already defined here. Next I will do data frame object to CSV output path index false. This is done. It will write the CSV file and put into the output folder, into the output path. Next, print pipeline completed. Next, print if this is we have done. The pipeline completed will be print. Next, it will be clean the saved data to the output path. Yes. Now we are saving the file and we try to run the file. This file name is pipeline test.py. So we write Python pipeline underscore test.py. Yes, this is successfully done. Here the clean customer CSV file is creating under the output folder, and also it will coming into the terminal. First of all, we first print the raw data where actual raw data is printed. Then the clean data is printed, which we are cleaning. There is the Alice where the email is been in the capital letter and the missing values, and then it print the transform data and then print the pipeline completed, and output is stored into the output folder clean customer CSV, which name we have been defined here. Just open the file and we can see here the two records have been coming where the no missing values and the perfect corrected data is coming. So that's all for today's day 1 lab. Thanks for watching, my friends.